Right, percentage purity. Now, percentage purity, abantu mebecabanga purity ngiyazi abanye amathi athi tsa bacabanga ukudla kweingane ngoba benithanda ukudlela izingane ipurity. Bayabona nje usisi noma ubhuti ukhuthalela ukudlisa ingane yakhe ipurity kanti nawe uyakha uyadla. Uze uthi hayibo ubothi uthi kanti nawe uyadla. Asithi purity enjalo. Sithe ukuphelela pure. Is it pure? Percentage, percentage engakanani. Ngamanye amazwi for example mungathatha 10 grams yento ethize uyikalile. Ake ngithi sodium hydroxide kale 10 grams bese wenza ilento ngale nkathi uyireactisa neni substance bese uthola ukuthi i-concentration yakhona yala isahambisana nale bevele kuyi 10 grams concentration yakhona iyalingana kusho ukuthi i-mass yakhona ngokwe concentration i-mass yala ise u10 nalana kusho ukuthi u10 kusho ukuthi ku react yonke lo ya 10 react which means it's 100% pure ngoba i10 grams okade ifakiwe what is actually reacted is 10 kodwa if bowukale 10 wathola ukuthi after reaction so uthola ukuthi ngokwe reaction u9 grams osebenzini so uthini uyithola kanjani percentage bowukale 10 kodwa actually ku react ngakho 9 over 10 oh bowukale 10 but ngempela ngokwe reaction ku react 9 so it's 9 over 10 so 9 over 10 yini na percentage wise times 100 over 1 which is what 90%, which means the percentage uyithola lokhu okade kuyikona as against lokhu osokuyiwona ngempela. Thisha wakhuluma into esingayizwa kahle. Esikolweni umetric wethu okhona yake ngithi 200 kule 200 bese nikuphasa aba u80 oh laba abakhona ba u200 kodwa kuphasa abangaki aba u80 which means 80 over 200 i-percentage engakanani leyo na sithi times 100 over 1 so we'll have 800 over 20 sesizoba nani na 40%. U40% unikeza i-total mark ye science paper 1 konke sokuyikona u150 paper 1 but actually empeleni wena awutholi u150 mhlawumbe uthola u100 kulo ya 100 when uthola 100 out of what out of 150 bofanele ukuthola. This is actual, this is what you supposed to get but wathola wena 100 actually uthola 100. You can say actually or actually. I mean but actually actually. So okay, actually noma actually yini na 100 over 150 times 100 over 1 singawusula lona sesinani na sinani sino 1000 divided by 15 1000 divided by 15 ngithola nina ngithola 66.67%. Now ake sibheke lesi sibalo sithi ke kwenzekani sithi uma uthatha 5.7 grams of commercial caustic soda moya esitolo noma isiphi isitolo la uthenga khona igrocer ngeke ngizisho izitolo ngoba phela zingaze zicabanga ukuthi ngizoyipromote la ngeke ngizisho kodwa la uthenga khona igrocer leso sitolo ezinye zisesiphingo ezinye zise Mega City ezinye zise Pavilion zonke lezo izitolo kuleso sitolo ubona kubhalwe caustic soda Yathi so about commercial caustic soda, which means commercially eyitolo ubizwa nge-caustic soda, but actually it's sodium hydroxide. Now you take 7.5 grams of caustic soda, 7.5 grams. This is the actual mass ekaliwe is sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide yaseyifakwa emanzini yadissolve, yafakwa la, yase idissolve, yase bayifaka laphana ku 250 cubic centimeter, bafaka u75. Maybe befaka u75 lena ku 250, kusho ukuthi ke base bethi 10 cubic centimeter of this solution bathatha lo 10 lo ola, njoba ku 75 siyazi lento, siyazi ne volume, singayithola concentration yakhona. Now 10 cubic centimeter yala yase in neutralizer, actually now ya neutralizer ini na 13.5 ye nitric acid. Le nitric acid I concentration yakhona ingaka. It calculates the percentage purity of caustic soda. Yo. Now, I guess toilet manje si prepare the solution le. Me say prepare the solution lena si ayithola I concentration lento. Manje I guess ifuneke sibheka la sino 75 ofake ku sodium hydroxide. O sodium hydroxide ofake la ku emanzini. Ya dissolve yafaka laphana base bethatha sodium hydroxide NaOH. Bathatha engakanani na, bathatha volume of the base used, bathatha engakanani 10 cubic centimeter. 10 cubic centimeter. Mele thatha 10 cubic centimeter ya caustic soda or sodium hydroxide. Ya neutralizwa yi acid engakanani na, nitric acid HNO3. Sinikeziwe the actual concentration yalento, concentration of an acid yini na 0.5 mole per decimeter cubed. Ithini I volume ya acid ingakanani volume ya acid na, that is used but 13.5 cubic centimeter. Now bathi sifune I percentage purity. Now go reactor lo 10 cubic centimeter wa reactor nalo 13. Now sifuna ukuchecka ukuthi empeleni njengoba ku reactor engaka, which means ku reactor lena I acid engaka I concentration engakanani ka sodium hydroxide yona reacting. So actually as check ukuthi what is the actual concentration that reacted to sodium hydroxide. The concentration of sodium hydroxide that reacted to this nitric acid, we want to find the actual concentration ya base ingakanani. Asingakhohliswa ukuthi sifakela u7.5 bayifaka lapha, siyakwazi lokho. Kodwa siyazi ukuthi manje sifuna ukuchecka ukuthi ingaba iyona yonke yini u7.5 yona yonke yini sodium hydroxide. Ngoba phela I-sodium hydroxide njengoba ithengwa nje kuyenzeka ukuthi ine dust nani ya dissolve laphana, kodwa okuzo reactor ukungakanani kona. Oh. Now ake sifuneke I concentration ya base. Asebenzisa equation HNO3 plus NaOH yields sodium nitrate plus H2O. Ratio is 1:1. So we have that. Now, siyabona seventh equation, number of moles of base 1. Number of moles of acid 1. asifuneni ke manje ukuthi engakanani yangempela siyayibona le efakwe la siyayibona kodwa manje sithathe u10 ya reactor sifuna ucheck ingakanani concentration yalapha sibone sesithini na NP over NA is equals to CP VP over CA VA. And to CP, subject of the formula, NP CA VA over NA VB. Yini CB NP1 CA 0,5 VA 13,5 over NA1 VB 10. Isotope concentration base. Ingakanani concentration base. Asibona 0,5 times sengiyayibona 13,5 times 0.5 ithola la thola 6,75 divided by 10 which is 0,675 mole per decimeter cubed 0,675 i-concentration ke yala le concentration ile say concentration ile ku10 nala ukuthi silindele i-concentration engaka la silindele i-concentration engaka ngoba this is what actually reacted ne-nitric acid. That is the concentration of sodium hydroxide, right? Concentration of sodium hydroxide ingakanani na ingakanani is 0,675. Ake sibone ingakanani volume ingakanani siyiphi leyo volume na 250 cubic centimeter to cubic decimeter 0,25. Now I guess check with the number of moles angakanani na awe sodium hydroxide. Number of moles CV. So we have 0,675 times 0,25. 0,675 times 0,25. Githola number of moles. Number of moles 0,16875 moles. Now, these are number of moles. As with the actual, what is the actual mass of sodium hydroxide? Gulo ya 7,5. Uma singathola mass of sodium hydroxide, i-answer sithola la sithola ukuthi it's still 7,5, which means it's 100% pure. 7,5 divided by 7,5. Right. I guess born. Number of moles, it's mass over molar mass. So number of moles times molar mass is equals to mass. 0,16875 times molar mass of sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide, ngiyazi mengikhumbula kahle ungathi 40. Oh bakwethu 40 grams per mole njalo. 17 plus 23 40. So 40 which is mass. Ake sibone times 40. Times 40. Githola 6,75. Oh, mass. Actually, the mass of sodium hydroxide is 6,75. Gikale ingakanani mina 7,5. But actually, ingakanani mass of sodium hydroxide 6,75. Oh, so sithini na percentage Yini now, the actual one, 6,75 out of what? 7,5 times 100 over 1. Guloya 7,5, 6,75 is the actual mass. Actual mass. Sisho njalo mesithanda. Says that 6,75 divided by 7.5, which is 90%. Yo. So 90% yale ela sodium hydroxide. So sodium hydroxide is 90% pure. 10% ezinye zezinto esingazazi ezihambisana ne-sodium hydroxide asiyifuna sinandaba nazo. Kodwa sifuna ukuchecka ukuthi what is the percentage purity? It's 90% pure. Ngoba out of 7,5 sithole yangempela i-sodium hydroxide is 6,75. So with percentage purity, don't be fooled by this mess etela bese uzofuna concentration yala cha. Lana sinaloko kodwa manje sifuna ukuthola ke kahle ke concentration ngalena, the actual concentration ezosihlehlisa size sifike to the actual mass. Sifune i-concentration ye-base sayithola ukuthi is 0,675. Sathi leya base lena ekade iku-10, leyo kade iku-10 leyo concentration iyona futhi ekade ila ye-sodium hydroxide, the actual one. Sase siyithola ukuthi iyona kade ilaphana, sathola ukuthi ama-moles akhona mangaka. Sesiwatholile ama-moles, sayifuna i-mass yakhona, sithi sebenzisa le equation i-molar mass ngoba i-sodium hydroxide phela 40, sathola 6,75. Percentage purity, aye, 6,75 out of 7,5. Then we got 90%. Hey, ungazosenzela izimangala. Wena ungelila mass of 7,5 when uthola ukuthi kuno 7,7. Hayibo. Lena, it's the basis yona ekaliwe bakwethu. So yoqhamuka manje kusho ukuthi iveseni yakho khumala izodwa endleleni yaba u7,7 or 7. Very percentage ayidluli u100. Ngeke uthole u101% now yes percent, which means over 100. When you get isibalo out of 20, when you thola 22 out of 20, hayi cha siyobona ukuthi kukhona fanta imsamo phakathi kwakho nothisha. Wena kumele uthole it's either uthola 20 or engaphansi kwa 20. Lana it's either uthola 7,5 or less than 7,5. You can't get 7,6. Ngoba we have weighed 7,5. Thank you.